you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your eyes now give you no breaks. Well, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Had all these police here, SWAT team and everything. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, there's that big old rock again. Oh yeah, like I was saying, police were there all day for that house. Threatening them, telling them there's nowhere to go. Dog's gonna bite him. And the SWAT team came, and then I'm pretty sure the owner of the house, or whoever there was there trying to hide from the cops, lit the evidence and everything on fire in that front room right there where that girl was. Oh, fail. It's deep. Oh yeah. Man, this stuff's deep right here. Well, been out for 5 minutes and I've already crashed. Turns out that's super grippy. Let's try that again, yeah? Is that a wheelchair with no wheels? That don't help. Hey, let's see if I can do it this time. Which way should I go? I guess this way. Yay, we can get through. And again, it's a good day. close to that sucker. She runs good, that's for sure. So, bit of a story with this. So as you may see in the previous videos, I put a 250 transmission in this 450. And oh, I'm looking at something. A little bit of coolant. So I'm overheating a little bit. So I put a 250 transmission in here and all was well. And then on my second ride out, there was a conk and then a grinding noise, and it wasn't good. And I drained the oil. There's a bunch of chunks in the oil. That does not look good. Super bad looking. And yeah, I cleaned her all up and stripped her down and couldn't find anything. Actually, I was looking around in there and there's nothing in there that I could find. So my shift fork pin was a little bit loose, but that doesn't really move, and the shift fork doesn't even get close enough to hit that and rub that, so I don't even know how it got worn out there, but it doesn't make sense that would be making any noise. And then the only other thing I could find was actually there's a brake right here in the case on the bottom of this clutch lever thing down here. And there was a previous brake there from the owner before me, or someone, and they JB welded it, which, you know, JB weld always works great. But if you got like a mushroom or a flower of metal on the inside that never got cleaned up, and then you got your clutch pin that comes over and whacks it and breaks the chunk off. You know, that's not good. It was only in the clutch and transmission side. The engine side was fine. And I couldn't find anything besides just that it looked like maybe a little chunk of that fell off. But I did end up taking the 250 transmission out, even though it did work fine. It was just slower. I mean, apparently, on paper, I guess. And I put now an 06 transmission in here that looked a lot nicer than mine. So I got basically a newer transmission, a lot fewer hours. This bike has a ton of hours on it because this was an old JCR Honda race bike. But yeah, that's the story with that. Hopefully now she runs good and solid and stays that way. And now that we got some nicer weather out here, it was pretty much hot anyway. I couldn't really ride anyway. It was like 110 degrees, or I mean, it was 110 for a little bit, but it was definitely around 100 and upper 90s for a long time. As you see, everything's pretty dead. But this has been a great year in California in the summer as far as like rain and stuff. So there's already a little bit of green down here. But yeah, it's October 1st. We already got a beautiful day. It's only like 60 degrees. I'm gonna bust out the drone and fly around here a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much riding today. It's just kind of a break-in day. A little windy right here on this step. Alright, what should we check out first? Let's go over here and make sure there's no one out here. landslide. Too close and catch like an updraft and lose the drone in there. This way, because this is probably where I'm going to go shooting. Look at the grooves from the water. That is crazy. Wow, how bizarre. Let's see how close I can get to this for us. It doesn't say anything about strong wind yet, so. What a trip. Hard to tell how big it is, but that's pretty ground down, pretty eroded. Trippy. Nuts. HD for you guys.